In the first video, we reviewed logging in, the student data page, and the message center. In this video, we're going to look at how to access your child's attendance. Once you log in, you are on the student data page. Click the Attendance tab. This will bring you to the Daily Attendance tab, and it views the calendar for the year. You can change it to a month view if you choose. When you are looking at the current month, if your child is marked in light blue, that means they were present for the class. We can also look at class attendance by clicking the Class Attendance tab. Here you will see your student's schedule with the classes at the top and the days of the month on the side. If a child is present, there will be a yellow line. You can also look at their totals for the marking period if they were absent or tardy from class. In the next video, we will look at student grades.